Yo, what's going on? It's your boy Montego Ramon, man. Y'all know what's going on. Riders X, we rise to the occasion, man. You see that smile on my face, dog. I am super excited, and I am excited because, and I'm not that excited, y'all. I'm really level-headed with it, but I do get the butterflies and excited. Like today, I passed the 300K accounts, both of them, two of them. This is a new height for me. I've never passed them both like that. And I've never shown this level of consistency in my trading before, to be honest. Like I've always, I'll run it up real quick and I'll lose it. Run it up real quick and I'll lose it. Run it up real quick, might take I pull out some profit and I lose it. You know what I'm saying? Like, so this is huge. This is the start of a new level of this type of consistency we want to bring, and really taking heavy and harder strides towards my goals. As you can see, I'm dropping a little more often already. I just felt like, yo, this is just a perfect time. It's like, what better time than it is right now to double down on your goals and your dreams and show that you really want it. Like, not fake it, but show like, hey, I really want this. I'm really going for this. Like, let me go as hard as I can, not to the point of burning out, but really feel like you can get more. So look, without delay, we gonna hop right into it, y'all. We gonna hop right into it. All right. So as you can see, I really didn't take the time to put it into a beautiful project. Before we get into that, matter of fact, let's hop right into the trade. Right into the trade is going. Today, you can see I had already took a couple trades. I had lost the first one, I think. And then I ended up, you see this red arrow I took right here? You see this red one? So you can literally see right there that I had took this trade and it went against me. I sold somewhere up here. Once I seen this is either a morning star or evening star. I think it's an evening star. It's the evening star. That is a reversal kind of pattern. Also, it's at the didn't go make a new high, so these are extra confluences. You can see I'm looking for the sell here. I'm hoping that it just retests and then come back down. You know, and so we hop right in it today. What just happened there? It looked like I went for a sell. It pulled back a little bit. I closed. I was a little anxious today. Not really. I just did what I normally do. It was like, okay, I don't want to go through any deep drawdown unless I have some true conviction to the trade. So right here, you seeing what I'm seeing, y'all. Look like we got a slight head and shoulders pattern here. It's very slight though, but don't play with it now. That thing, come on now. Today we did over 2,800 and 8,300 on the P&L, right? So we're gonna kind of speed this up a little bit though, y'all. I just want to see what, because this is also a learning opportunity for myself as well as you. I hope that you are gaining some value from this and just learning along beside me as I'm, risking the biscuit for the ticket. All right, that was really fun. But nah, for real, y'all. Hey, look, I'm gonna speed this up a little bit. Don't mind the sizzling and the crackling of pans in the background. Oh my God, look at that. Let's just back that up a little bit. There we go, the takeoff right there. So I think in here what kept happening was I kept seeing price come back to my area, and then let's see that. So you see that? Once I saw it broke through basically it gave me some kind of indication that it was going to break through all of the EMAs, and so I just went for it. I'm ready to, if it comes back, I was going to try to at least keep it at break even, or maybe see if it might retest the support level it broke through as a new resistance. It kind of went straight through. As you can see, we're up. This point in time, like, oh, is this first account killed? I know on this trade it's a done deal. So let's speed this up. As you can see on this green counter, it's coming back up to retest that old level, that level of support it just broke, that is now resistance. It's bouncing off that resistance level, respecting it, and probably finna come down. As you can see, I'm targeting the fair value gap for my take profit, y'all. I'm telling y'all, I've been showing y'all just back to back. I'm catching these quick moves, fair value gaps. You gotta be careful of the ones like right that it's at too, because sometimes it'll just hit that and go the other way. It'll hit that 50% level or that 50% encroachment level and then go the other way. you know what I'm saying, or go stay right above that and then go the other way. But what I like to see is the feel, and that's mostly what the charts have been showing me. It wants to feel it. It wants to come all the way through, and sometimes even past to make, you know, just be sure. I know they, you know, they hunting stop losses, and as you can see, it pulled right back to my my entry area, and I actually put in 2 more of my normal positions. So I'm jumping in 10, 20 contracts, 20 micros at a time right there. So you can see we're up. I'm like, oh, this killed right here. This is killed. You know what I'm saying? What I wanted to do was wait till it came to the bottom, catch a reversal, just take it back up to the top. But today I was going a little hard. I just wasn't tripping, you know. Not even thinking about whether I'm taking a loss or not. I was just prepared, like, hey, if you're going a deep drawdown, I see something, a little slither or something that this thing wants to reverse, I'm just out, you know what I'm saying? I'll take a small profit maybe. And let's speed this up. Let's speed this up, y'all. Like I said, I don't want to waste y'all time here. Oh, you see that? Look, you see that? Like I said, what I do? I took some profit. Like I told y'all, what I take. We took some profit. We took some profit. Look, it's about to take some profit. $75. Cool. That's cool with me. I ain't tripping. You know what I'm saying? Let's see what happens and see what we do. Price comes. You see that? That's what I was talking about. I just said that. It might come back up and test that 20 EMA. It loves to do that and then go in the other direction. You know what I'm saying? Look at that. I'm back in. Let's see how hard I go in this time. Up. I actually closed because I'm like, oh, maybe it's, and that's what I was talking about too. Sometimes on that 50% encroachment level. So if you was to take this long candle right here, where this fair value gap is, you would set a midpoint there, which I have my box set up on TradingView where it has a 50% dotted line right there, or a halfway dotted line, and it will show you, you know what I'm saying? So I'm like, okay, maybe it wants to run today. Let's see, you know what I'm saying? I don't really see that for real, but I was like, hey, my bias, I ain't stuck to nothing, you know what I'm saying? I'm not gonna let the chart show me. I just wanna be in position, you know what I'm saying? So let's speed that up. You know, it's starting to turn around again. I'm like, man, it's doing what I thought I was gonna do. I'm gonna be real with y'all. I was a little antsy today. So you see me, this is what that looks like. Me being a little antsy, I'm taking, you know, just taking them. I ain't really even seeing my signal. But this right here is a clear signal now. The retest, you got multiple wicks rejecting the upside. You got 2 strong candles coming in, potentially. You know, I just wanted to be ready just in case it decided to break. It was trying to make a small bear flag, right? A bear flag right here. You see, it gave you the initial down move right here. It gave you the initial down move right here. And then you start to get these slow, slight movement up like it wants to go up. But you see those wicks rejecting the downside? That is heavy selling pressure, especially after this move. You know what I'm saying? So also too, I understand where we're at with the entire stock market. We're kind of in it's been trending down. It's been trending down with Trump's inauguration coming up, you know, the breakthroughs with AI, the shifts in the country, things like that, disasters, you know. So I'm watching, I'm kind of listening to this stuff, and I'm thinking about how it affects, you know, this pair. I'll call you in a second. Sure. Yeah, so like I said, it's going down right now. Yes, sir, it's going down right now. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and speed this up, y'all. Like I said, we up something heavy. It was taking a little minute to go down there, so I'm just antsy because it's like, for me, it's like that first day of Christmas when you're a kid and you just waiting to see. Y'all see that? I missed the mark to close at 20. This will end up closing at like 19. I was like, so I went back in. Let's speed it up. So I went back in. I think I might have checked the other account, or I took another position and hopped back in. It was just waiting. Kind of gave me the run around a little bit. Y'all know how it does. I was like, I'm just gonna sit through this. What are you gonna see? Look at that. When it went ahead and closed. There we go. Beat the first one. Beat the first round. There you go. Y'all seen it with your own eyes. Let's go back real quick. See it with your own eyes right there. All right, cool. Let's keep it pushing. So I think I'll switch over to the other account, letting the other account just run. As y'all can see, switch over to the other account. Look at that. And that other account was still running. You know what's crazy? We were in way up here. Imagine if I would have just held that. We already up. I took over almost $4 grand right there. That's insane. Then let's keep it going. Cause it's just trending down at this point. It's coming back, retest, then going down, coming back, retest, going down. It's normal stuff. I'm on a 1 minute time frame, guys. Trading in Q. Look at that. Tried to come back. I closed it before it came back above my spot. I just didn't want to do no drawdown. I was like, let me just get ready for it to reverse. Oh, look at that. I tried to. I was like, maybe I want to reverse here because it does it. So I just wanted to be ready. And I think I start off with 10 micros just to be safe, you know, before I like to go in heavy. Boom. You seen that, y'all? Oh, I think it's a nice loss right there. $450. That joint blasted through there. You see that? Watch this. And so we just ride it because if it does that for me, I'm like, oh, I know you probably going. And then another thing we gotta watch for is that it left a fair value gap right here. I know you can't really see, but you can see the wick of this small white candle right here, right after this big boom candle, or this engulfing bear candle, the long white one right there. And then right before you see sort of a evening star, meaning like this thing is coming down right here. And you see it just continues to go. And then I take a buy here. You can see the lower fair value gap down here, and then you see right here, this was the one I had it originally. So I zoomed out of the picture so I could see, hey, there's another fair value gap potentially I had to see. Y'all seen me do that before. We was way off the screen. There was no fair value gaps in sight. Now right here, you see it. I went for the buy. I want to see if it's going to continue to, you know, go down or is it going to go up now. So I'm just watching and waiting and seeing. Look like it want to break through. I close the position. I'm not sure what we up at this point, but I'm watching. Because I'm taking, like I told y'all, a chart here on TradingView. Take my trades on Trade08. That's the platform I trade from, right? So finally it wants to turn to go to the upside. I'm in 30 contracts, 30 micros, wanting to take some profit here. I think it's going to come all the way up. It's some fair value gaps I think I had saw way above this. And yeah, we just gonna speed this up. I'm in 40 contracts right now. Let's see. Ain't no telling how much I need to close at this time. Boom. Yeah, at some point I just decided like, we take profit there, then I think we take some more profit there because it runs into the 20 EMA. I'm like, it's gonna bounce. I just want to take that because I'm like, if it's the 20 EMA, it might just continue to go. So I like, let me take some profit there. Y'all see, I'm getting a little hasty there. Y'all can see it's showing that it's want to go up. I'm thinking like maybe it's gonna come for the fair value gap, so I try to go for the quick scalp here. It decides to continue going up. I'm just gonna ride with it, you know. I know it's probably gonna pull back a little bit. That's cool. While we go in 10 and then come with the rest earlier. You know what I mean? I'm just very aware of, and it's ugly out there sometimes, y'all. It ain't always pretty trading. I wish sometimes I could just get those pretty trades done. Another one we closed right there for about 690, something like that. 690. Then let's see what we do. Oh, we go for the sell because what I tell y'all, that thing was trading down way too hard. It's looking like it's wanting to come down. All right, look at this. We up 19. This is the second account, y'all. This is the second account. Second account. And let's see. This is how we complete it. Here we go. Oh, I think we closed. We closed. It's done. Done deal. We closed. And so, guys, that's how we beat the challenge today. That's how we beat the challenge. Got a little ugly in there. Like I said, I really, as you can see what's going on, I really could have just took some solid trades to the top, rode it. To me, it looked like it wanted to range a lot. But a lot of times, like you get that first, like as y'all seen earlier, that huge green candle where I came back and hit the fair value gap here. A lot of times when you get that volatility like that, it lets you know it's a lot of volume, and you're going to get a little more volatility like that before it starts to like probably come to a rest and slow down and be in a range. Exactly. So look, let me show y'all it's official. Let me show y'all this thing is really official. All right, look, we are in my Apex Trader funding account. We will go down to signatures. You can see the 2 accounts I beat it, completed 114.25. You can also see here 114.25. Let's go click on the certificates, baby. Drum roll, please. Montego, Germany. Your boy just beat it 300K. Trader guy account activated, and then we go back one more. Here go the other one. Boom, both of them done deal. 300K accounts activated, baby. Let's go. You can see on my dashboard. These are PA accounts, performance accounts activated. 2 of them. You see that? Let's go, man. So this is one part of the deal done. It's looking solid. That's cool on the, on my, just my trading consistency. We're just gonna basically have a repeat of that same performance as we are live funded now, and we looking to receive our first payouts. I've never received a payout in this, y'all. Y'all can see I've done this hundreds of times. So definitely looking forward to that. That's all I got for y'all today, man. I'm about to have dinner. I'm already done with the gym. I was in Pro Tools practicing today. This is how we eating today. Let me show y'all a little bit. This is how we eating today. Y'all see that? This is how we eating. Your boy is on that alkaline right now. You know what I'm saying? So dinner is about to be up. I just want to send y'all some blessings. Hopefully y'all have learned some valuable information just from watching me trade and experience. Hopefully that gives you some confidence so that you go in the market, with the expectancy of, I'm going to take losses, but I can win this and I can beat this. You know what I mean? And this can fund my dream life. You know what I'm saying? Or just take care of whatever bills you want to, maybe you just want to take care of the bills. That's cool. Like, let that work for you, man. If you really believe in it, dive in it, head first, go hard, or go home. That's all I got for y'all. It's your boy Montego Ramon, man. You know what I'm on. Risers X, we rise to the occasion. Peace.